Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to write small letters in cursive writing. This is part 2 of cursive writing tutorial. If you want to see how to write capital letters in cursive writing, the link is given in description. You can go ahead and check it there. So starting with the video. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope it's clear how to write small letters in cursive writing. If you like this video, then please click on like button in the below, and also please subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you.